Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios. This is the White River Plaza, and this is a new Island Grill store that opened recently in Ocho Rios. Now, this is the 18th store that Island Grill has opened in Jamaica, and they have plans to open 7 more stores to bring the total to 25. But what I find very interesting about the location of this store is that Island Grill was offered a location in Draxall, which is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. And they turned it down and decided to build a store here, just on the outskirts of Ocho Rios, even though they have another store in Ocho Rios on Main Street. So we're going to give you a tour of this facility, a driving tour, and we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this store. Island Grill, one of Jamaica's most recognized quick service restaurant chains, has expanded its presence in St. Ann with the opening of its newest location at White River North Plaza in Ocho Rios. This new branch marks the company's 18th store island-wide and the second in Ocho Rios, underscoring the brand's steady growth and commitment to serving both locals and tourists along Jamaica's north coast. The new Island Grill at White River represents a modern evolution of the Jamaican fast food experience. Costing approximately US $1.6 million to build and fit out, the restaurant was designed to meet and even surpass international quick service standards. The White River location officially opened in mid-2025 to an enthusiastic reception. From the first day, crowds flocked to the restaurant, resulting in long lines and higher than expected sales. The store features contemporary architecture, ample parking, and perhaps most notably, a drive-through service, a first for the Ocho Rios area. This addition caters to the increasing demand for speed and convenience, especially among travelers and residents who frequent the bustling resort town. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think about this location, and also what do you think about them giving up a Draxall location for this location? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.